Here is something that is quite frustrating to some woodworkers, and I want to basically in this video show you how to identify it and also understand why it's doing what it's doing and how to correct it. So as you can see on the end grain here, you can see that this is incredibly cupped. The reason that this is cupped this way, so if we think about it looking at from this axis, this wood has been stored without the ability to breathe from underneath. So that means that it's been able to dry on top more effectively than bottom. So as it's dried, what's happened is the top surface that has dried more effectively than the bottom has shrunk. So this face is technically just a little bit smaller than the bottom face. So that means that the wetter it is, the more expanded it's going to be, and the drier it is, the more it's going to shrink, which causes this cupping. So one thing that we can do if we want to repair this board, it'll take a bit of patience and a bit of time to do. So you can wet the top surface, you can saturate it with hot water, lay it down flat with spacers, put loads of weight on it, and then let it settle for a bit of time. If I planed this flat, I would be taking about 50% of the material thickness away. So what we can do, if we cut it into if we cut this into 4 sections, then when we plane this down flat, we're only going to lose a tiny bit. So we'll be able to get 4 planks out of this to do other things with.